Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. In this video, we'll show how you can turn a simple idea into eye-catching Instagram stories in seconds with AI. Let's dive into it. From your Gamma dashboard, click on Create with AI. There are three main ways of bringing your ideas to life with Gamma: generating with AI, pasting in text, and importing a file or URL. For this tutorial, we'll choose Generate with AI to start with just a prompt. Here, describe your stories idea. Select Stories as your format and click Generate Outline. Gamma automatically organizes your idea into a multi-slide stories format. You can add, remove, or rearrange them. To get more specific with your content, access Advanced Mode. Inside the prompt editor, you can choose Freeform to let AI design your story from start to finish, Card by Card for more control over the structure slide by slide. You can also define your target audience, the tone, and language. Gamma not only generates content for you, it can also help you enhance your stories with visuals by allowing you to upload your own images, source them from the web, or generate beautiful illustrations using AI. Once your draft looks good, click Continue. With Gamma, you don't need to worry about design. Make your stories look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes. If you want to apply your own brand, you can create a custom theme with your own logo, colors, and fonts. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you're happy with the look, click Generate to bring your Instagram content to life. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You can keep customizing your stories by adding more components like text, images, diagrams, charts, and engaging layouts. If you want to make edits almost as fast as you think, use Gamma's AI to rewrite, reformat, or refine your content and visuals instantly. Just describe what you want, and Gamma does the rest. To learn more about AI editing, check out our dedicated tutorial. When your Instagram stories are ready, you have multiple sharing options. Present directly in Gamma with interactive features. Share with anyone via a link. Or export as PNG images to upload them to Instagram. You can even choose to export only selected cards, giving you full control of what to share. And that's it. Creating impactful Instagram stories with Gamma is fast, simple, and fun. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.